Progressive web apps are the next generation of websites. They're faster loading, smoother to navigate, and the UX actually feels like it's designed for mobile. Today, when over 60% of online traffic comes from mobile, that's important. But here's the problem a lot of brands run into. They love their PWA, but they're still left wanting more. A PWA is still a website. It doesn't live on the home screen in the same way a real app does. It's not nearly as effective for retention as a proper mobile app, or as powerful as a brand asset. So naturally, next question becomes, how do we get this into the App Store? Technically, there are ways that you can try to do this yourself. There's some workarounds that you can stitch together to get your PWA into the Google Play Store. Apple is more demanding though. If you want to get your PWA into the iOS App Store, it's going to take a lot more custom development to build the right kind of native container and do enough to get your PWA approved by Apple. That's just to try to get it approved. Then you've got to worry about maintaining it. You can spend months building something only to have it rejected or approved, but with a compromised experience. So if you're asking, can I publish a PWA in the app stores? The short answer is no, but there's a way better way. A PWA is an excellent foundation for your e-commerce store or a web app, but it's not a substitute for a real mobile app. If what you actually want is a proper iOS and Android app, one that users can download, keep on their phone, and engage regularly, you need a different approach. That's where MobiLoud comes in. MobiLoud is built specifically for this situation. MobiLoud takes everything you've built from the web and converts it into a real native mobile app. It's not a workaround or a hack. It's a proper app that looks and feels native, it's published in the app stores, and lives directly on your customer's phone. Everything you've built for the web carries over, but now it runs as a true mobile app with full App Store distribution. And just as importantly, everything's handled for you. There's no custom mobile build to manage, app infrastructure to maintain, or extra workload from your team. If you're an online brand with consistent revenue and you're looking to take the next steps for retention, this is the best way to do it. You keep the benefits of your PWA and unlock the benefits of a real app. If you want to see what that could look like for your own product, go to mobiloud.com to get a free preview of your app now.